Here and here. Okay, DJ, can we have that for Express Football Club? Express, one Kurukuku boys. Express,
I wish to congratulate my very own, that is Express FC, on behalf of all the Board of Trustees. I want to salute the chairman of Express, Honorable Chiwanuka, for a good job well done. Through him, I thank all the officials, the players, and all the different stakeholders. When we handed this team to Honorable Chiriowa Chiwanuka 3 years ago, Express was in the drop zone. But within 2 years, he has put it where it belongs. We really thank you and congratulate you. Thank you for a good job. Well done.